Fifth question of exercise 3.2. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden. What is given? A rectangular garden is given in which half the perimeter, means perimeter we have to find, and half of perimeter whose length is 4 meter more than its width. लेंथ जो है उसके विड्थ से 4 मीटर बड़ी है, मीन्स वी हैव टू कंसीडर इट्स विड्थ. देन लेट width of rectangular garden is x meter and breadth is then length of rectangular garden is 4 meter more than its breadth. Suppose it is a rectangular garden and its breadth is x meter, then its length will be x plus 4 meter. X plus 4 meter. And what is given? Half of the perimeter, means we have to find its perimeter. Perimeter of rectangular garden is, we know that formula is 2 into length plus breadth, means 2 into length is x plus 4 plus x, means 2 into x plus 4 plus x, 2 into 2x plus 4 meter. Now according to question, 1/2 of perimeter is equal to 36 meter. It is given. Then 1/2 of means multiply. Perimeter is 2 into 2x plus 4 is equal to 36. From here we have to find the value of x. 2 cancel out. 2x plus 4 is left is equal to 36. 2x will equal to 36. This plus 4 will become minus 4. 2x is equal to 32. X is equal to 32 divided by 2. X is equal to 16 meter. Now what we have to find? Find the dimensions of the garden. Dimensions means length and breadth. And x is what? Its width. So width of garden is equal to 16 meter. Length of garden 16 plus 4 means 20 meter. This is given. In this question, what is given? Half of perimeter of a rectangular garden is 36 meter. It is given, and length of garden is 4 meter more than its breadth. First of all, we will consider, suppose it is a rectangular garden, we will consider its width or breadth. Let width of rectangular garden is x meter and its length is 4 meter more. Then length of rectangular garden will be x plus 4 meter. Now we have to find its perimeter. Perimeter of rectangular garden is 2 into length plus breadth, means 2 into x plus 4 plus x. 2 into x plus 4 plus x means 2 into 2x plus 4 meter. But what is given? Half of perimeter is given. So half of perimeter is equal to 36 meter. 1/2 of means multiply perimeter 2 into 2x plus 4. From here we have find the value of x is equal to 16 and x is width of rectangular garden. We have to find its dimensions. Width of rectangular garden is 16 meter. Then length will be 16 plus 4 means 20 meter. This is our fifth question. In question number 6, given the linear equation, what is given? A linear equation is given 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. And we have to write another linear equation in two variables such that geometrical representation of the pairs of formed is. Means we have to form a pair of this linear equation such that that pair satisfies these given conditions: intersecting lines, parallel lines, coincident lines. For these conditions, we have studied that if a pair of linear equations is given, then if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, if this condition is there, then we are having intersecting lines. अगर हमारे पास ये कंडीशन है a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, तो वो पेयर ऑफ लाइंस कैसी होती है? इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस. In this case, a1 is 2, b1 is 3. We will compare a1 and a2 only in intersecting lines. Then ratio of a1 a2 should not equal to b1 and b2. We can take any example. Suppose we have taken 3x plus 2y minus 16 is equal to 0. In this case, a1 by a2, a1 is 2 by 3, a1 by a2 is 2 by 3, b1 by b2 will equal to 3 by 2. So a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So this equation satisfying our condition of intersecting lines. Now in parallel line, in the case of parallel line, what is the condition? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. This is our condition for parallel lines. We can take any example. 4x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. In this case, a1 by a2 will equal to 2 by 4 means 1 by 2, b1 by b2 3 by 6 means 1 by 2, and c1 by c2 minus 8 by minus 9 means 8 by 9. In this case, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. So we can take this example. For coincident lines, what is given condition? a1 by a2 should equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Then for this case, 4x plus 6y minus 16 we can take. a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 4. This is a1. 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. b1 by b2, this is 3. 3 by 6. b1 by b2 will equal to 1 by 2. c1 by c2 minus 8 by minus 16 means 1 by 2. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. This is the equation for coincident lines. This is our sixth question.